Alright, I'm done with my Hartley ride. I'm heading now to the Woodland Trail, it's called. It will get me back up to Fryberger Arena in Duluth. It's going to be a heck of a climb. Got a lot of elevation here. So I got to climb up to Woodland Avenue, and then from there I head up to the arena. I must say I was very impressed with Hartley. All the improvements they made, spiced it up a bit, kept the old Hartley feel, but spiced it up for the more advanced riders. I'll definitely be back. Woodland Avenue. Go across to the Woodland Trail. Heck of a ride today. Hitting some new trails like this Woodland Trail. Pretty fun. Goes up into the Woodland neighborhood. Green trail. But just gives you some different options of where to ride. Looks like a hiking trail there. You can see the hockey rinks. Pretty cool. Rather than parking in Hartley, where it is always so crazy busy. Be able to park up here, less than a mile away. Fun downhill, climb back, but still fun. And when you get done with the trail, you got about a block sidewalk ride to get to the hockey parking lot. There's a Woodland Community Center right here. Head up the hill. There's Fryberger Hockey Arena. Here's the parking lot. Another great ride. Middle of November, you can't beat it.